Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Japan candy box unboxing, and they're actually doing another giveaway. So I will have all the information below and a link where you can enter to win a box. Oh, how cute. Looks like they have some holiday foods in here and snacks, which I'm really excited about. The card's adorable. May your Christmas be filled with peace and snacks. So cool. So I know if we've gotten these in the past, these were good. But I think this is a different flavor than I've gotten before. And they're just mixed berry gummies. They're a little resealable pouch. And these are more of a hard candy, and I think these are the whistle candy. Someone told me in a video before that they were whistle candy, and they were right. So that's something I wouldn't have known, so I appreciate them telling me that because I can't read a lot of this. So sometimes they'll put stuff on there that I can read, but not always. Merry Christmas. Oop, I think I just crushed whatever it is. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. It's real light. It kind of looks like a rice cake or something. I'm going to take a bite of it. I can't quite place what that flavor is, but it's good. Also have another thing that says Merry Christmas on it. I guess that's what they look like, but I'll go ahead and open this as well. So here's what that looks like. I can't quite place what it tastes like, or like a US equivalent to it, but it's good. It's kind of heavy, crunchy, and a little bit sweet. So I like that. And I'm not sure if you can tell from my voice, but I am getting over a cold, so if I sound funny, I'm really sorry for that. Oh, I like the little characters on that. How cute. Looks like I'm going to have to open up most of this, because some of it you can't tell what it's supposed to be. There's a little chocolate, and here's what that looks like. That's pretty good. Okay, let's see. Looks like these are the same. Love the packaging. How cool. Let's go ahead and open one of them. Another chocolate type candy. It's real light and airy though. Yep, so it's kind of hollow on the inside, real light, and a little bit of chocolate, so that's pretty good. Oh, how cute. So that one does have a picture, but I'm going to go ahead and open it anyways. It's interesting looking. It was like it's chocolate covered in white chocolate. And then on the inside there's a real light layer of like a Rice Krispie type thing. It's a crunchy little treat. And these look like they match. Those look like little cookie tarts. So it has the chocolate on one side and like a white chocolate looking thing on the other side. That's cute. Also have Bourbon Bit. And again, that one has a picture. And the last thing in here is this one we already had. It looks similar to this, but there's a different picture, but I think it's the same thing. Yeah, it definitely feels like it. So cool. I love these little holiday themed treats. It's adorable. So like I said, if you guys want to enter to win a free box, I will put all their information below. If you want to sign up for a subscription, I will also have that in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.